Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss this problem. So let's begin the observation part. You must be careful about the domain of the log here, and the second thing is that you will be assuming log case something kind of which is going to be t here. Okay, let's discuss the solution part here. Now, this expression is given to us, and first of all, if you observe one thing, we have to make the bases same here. So the base is 2 here, and if you observe, we don't have base 2 here, but we can use the properties of log and we can rewrite like this: 1 by log 2x to the base 2 here. The same will happen here as well. So we will have this kind of equation now. If you observe here, we can also use the property that is going to be what log mn, which is nothing but log m plus log n. Is it? Yes, that we will be applying here. And if you apply, you will have this and this here. The similarly you will apply here as well. Now here this term is going to be what 2, because we have log 2 raised power 2 to the base 2, and this is going to be what 2. And similarly, if you observe here, it is going to be what 1 here. Now here we will be assuming this as t. After assuming t, what we will have? We will have 2 plus t, and in the division we have t into 1 plus t. And now we will bring this one in the left hand side. Then we will take the LCM here. Okay, after taking the LCM, we have this part. So now multiply this t with the 1 and the t. So you will get this expression. Okay, now this t is going to be cancelled out, and you will have what? You will have t square minus 2 here. Okay, and we just taken the negative common. Okay, now I will multiply with the negative. So what will happen? Obviously, this term will become positive, and this is going to be change the sign here. That is less than. If you observe one thing, here we can apply the formula called a square minus b square. That is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Is it? Yes. That we just applied. And afterwards, we have to use a wavy curve method here. That is just plot the points where the terms are getting zeros. Okay. That is root 2, 0, minus 1 and root 2. And if you observe all the factors having odd power, that is we can use the sign of alternative. Start with a positive, negative, positive, negative and positive. Okay, so we have this part. So if you observe, we want the terms where it is less than 0. So obviously this region and this region will be the answer. So t will belongs to this and this. But in this problem, we have to find what? We have to find the x. So let's replace the t. If you replace the t, you will have this one, that is log x to the base 2 will belong to this interval, and after simplifying you will have x 2 raised to power minus 1, and this is going to be this. Okay, and why we just write it down? Because we know if we have log, let's say m to the base a equals to n, this is nothing but a raised power n equals to m here. Okay, this is we just applied here. Okay, we can convert the log into the exponential. Now just little simplify, that is 2 raised power minus 1 is going to be 1 by 2, and this is going to be 1 by 2 raised power root 2. Now similarly we have to solve this interval as well. Here we will say this. Okay, now x is going to be between these two intervals, and the x will be what? Greater than 1 and less than 2 raised power root 2. So this is the final answer, that is this. For such videos, subscribe to this channel, and thank you.